set out to tackle a deeply human challenge using the power of AI. Like, can we take someone's memories, their voice, photos, journals, and turn them into a digital persona? So, we built PersonaGen, a full stack AI powered platform that brings stories and people back to life through conversation and memory. We were inspired by the idea of memory as something dynamic, not just something we record, or not just something we read about, but something we could interact with. Imagine being able to talk to a historical figure like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or maybe Albert Einstein, and actually interact with them. What they thought, like what was their thought process, what they think of, or even your future self. Even I want to know about myself, what I'll do in future according to my behavior. Even I can know that, and it doesn't stays there only. So one of the most important thing which I can think of is one of a recent incident which I experienced. One of my friend died in a car accident, and I thought at least I could talk to him one last time. So this was an idea. I got an inspiration there. Like, I can talk to him right now also, because memories are the only thing which make people different. So we'll be selecting Albert Einstein and we'll generate a digital persona. It will try to learn all about Albert Einstein, like what was his thought process, how he would analyze anything, and how do he speak, his way of speaking and all. And I'll be able to interact with him in that particular manner only. So I'll start with Albert. Good day, I am Albert Einstein. So I'll write, hi Albert, can you tell me about your point of view on space? So whatever ask like question we will ask, it will feed our LLM model, and from there it will give an very much realistic answer what that persona would be thinking of, and it totally based on the records which my LLM is feeding on, maybe the historical data, maybe an autobiography. So even used an uh, text to speech feature, and it was very easy to integrate just thanks to 11 labs. 11labs.io provide a wonderful documentation to do this task.
Ah, space. A fascinating topic indeed. I often think about how our understanding of it has evolved and how much there still is to ponder. Imagine if, for a moment, we let go of the old notion that space is merely an empty, static stage upon which events unfold. It seems to me that the important thing is to grasp that space is not a mere void. No, it is far more profound. My work led me to understand space not as separate from time, but inextricably woven with it into a single dynamic fabric we call space.
So similarly, what I'll try to do, I also added a feature that is upload your own. So this is the feature which I'll be working on. And what I can do, I can add my custom uh, events, you can say, a custom event. So I'll just try like include one of my own story, and I'll try to feed through my LLM model. I'll tell my LLM model to learn more about this data, what's the behavior, what's the character uh, thinking in this particular. So yeah, you see, it's very much dynamic. It's not it's totally getting all through the idea from our files only which we are uploading. So he's saying, hello, I am Tilak, vivid imagery. So of course I'm from Rajputana background, a culture in India. So I just took an example of our tradition, and I tried to provide a basic uh, an event of my life, what happened during the Vijayadashmi. So I'll just try to ask something about it. What does Vijayadashmi means to you? So you can see the answer is according to the data only. Vijayadashmi, it is far more than a mere festival for me. So of course, Vijayadashmi is a day where we celebrate, we worship the weapons, because we are from a you can say chivalry, the soldier families. Apart from that, I also integrated a video system that, if like the most important thing about a human is its memory, it's its past event. So what I tried to make was the most important events of someone's life would be characterized by the LLM model, and short videos would be generated, the AI generated video, so that if anyone wants to uh, rememorate that moment and remorse on that, so of course they can do. So this is PersonaGen.